Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and welcome back. My name is Paul and as always I want to be taking you through today's workout, guys. Today's workout is 15 minutes long. It's 3 5-minute sets and 1-minute breaks. The first 5-minute set is going to be 10 jumping jacks, 5 skaters and 3 burpees. We're going to perform those 3 exercises for 5 minutes straight. I'll describe the other exercises during the other breaks. Let's not waste any more time and let's get going in about 5 seconds. Alright guys, welcome back. We'll get going in about 10 seconds or so. Remember, we're doing 10 jumping jacks, 5 skaters, and 3 burpees for 5 minutes straight. It's going to be a lot of work today, guys. This is a great warm-up, and here comes the cardio routine. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's switch over to 5 skaters. Ready? And let's go side to side. 1, get all the way down to the ground if you can. Working on 2. Perfect. 3, 4, 1 more, 5. All right, and straight to 3 burpees. I'm not jumping. You do whatever you want to do. Let's go. 2 and 3. Back into jumping jacks. Ready? Let's go. 10, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, heart rate's gonna start going already. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going 3 burpees. Ready? Let's move it. 1, 2, and 3. Back to the top. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Woo, skaters. Come on. 1 and 1 on the other side. And back to the left and back to the right for 2. Skate with me. 3, 4, and 5. Go 5 burpees. 1, 3 burpees, not 5 burpees. Come on. It's early in the morning when I'm filming this today. Ready? Back to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skaters. Ready? That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Stay with me. 4. We're more than halfway done for the first 5 minutes. 5. We're going to do 3 burpees. Get it straight. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. And we're back. Back to jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. 10. Yes. Skaters. And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Stay with me. 4. Last 1. And 5. 3 burpees. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. 1 more. 1. I was going to do the pinky thing, but it didn't quite come out. Ready? Jumping jacks. 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, give me 5 skaters. 1, 2. Stay with me. Come on. 3. Less than a minute left of the cardio part. 4. Last 1. And 5. All right, 3 burpees. 1, 2, one more, and 3. Looks like we're gonna start one more set. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 skaters, 15 seconds left. We're gonna finish with the skaters. 2, 3. That's 2. Can't count, I'm tired. Come on, that's 3. 4. Let's finish up with one more. And 5. All right, guys, we got a 60-second break. Next set of exercises. You're gonna grab your dumbbells. I'm gonna catch my breath. Okay, you're gonna grab your dumbbells. We're gonna go for 5 lunges, 5 curls, 5 military presses or Arnold presses, whatever you wanna do. 5 rows, so bent over and row, and then 5 push-ups. Same thing, guys. 5 minutes straight. We're just gonna rotate through them. We got about 25 seconds left. So it's time for you to grab some water if you have some. Relax a little bit. Let the heart rate come down a little bit. When you let your heart rate come down, don't lay down on the ground. Keep moving a little bit. Let that blood circulate. Everything will come down. We have 10 seconds left. Grab your dumbbells. All right, we're going for 5 lunges. That's 5 per leg. 3, 2, 1, lunge forward. And 2. And this is 2. And this is 2. We're working on 3. 3. 4. 4. Lunge with me. Come on. 5. Last one. 5. All right, we're going 5 curls, guys. Ready? 1, 2. Perfect. 3, 4, and 5. Hold on to those dumbbells. Going for 5 presses. Ready? Let's go. 1. I'm doing Arnold. At least for this set. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 rows. Get that butt back. Bend those knees. Lock in that back. Lock in that core. Let's go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, drop down on the ground. Give me 5 push-ups. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna shake my hands out a little bit. All right, back to the top, guys. 5 lunges. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's not waste any time. 1. 1. Come on. 2. As deep as you can go. 2. 3. Perfect. Keep it up. 3. Oop, losing my microphone here. Here we go. 4. 4. 5. And 5. All right, give me curls. Ready? Let's go. Big arms. 1. Come on. 2. 3. 4. And 5. And straight into the presses. Ready? Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. All right, and 2 rows, guys. Ready? Let's go. Straight back, as straight as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And drop down for push-ups. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, and 5. Gonna shake those arms out. All right, we're a little more than halfway done. All right, let's go with the lunges. Keep on doing this. Keep on losing the mic because it's set. Oh boy. Little break, guys, little break. Start with the lunges. My mic is held on by a magnet, which these are metal. Not the best idea in the world. Ready? Yeah, let's go. 1. Come on. 2. And that's 2 full ones. Now we're working on 3. Keep it up. 3. 4. 4, 5, 5. It's happening again. Start with the curls, guys. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Military presses. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, rows. Let's knock him out. Straight backs. 1, 2. Keep moving. 3, 4, 5. Straight down on the ground. 5 push-ups. All right, guys. Back to the top. 5 lunges. We got less than a minute left. See how far we can get. 1 and 1. Work with me for 2. Come on, sweat with me. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. We're going to 5 curls. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Keep moving. 3, 4, 5. We got 5 military presses or aerial presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to end right there. All right. Want to throw the weights down? Feel more accomplished that way. All right, we got a 1 minute break, guys. Then we're going to the final set of 5 minutes. We're going to be working on the core. The 3 core exercises will be 20 mountain climbers, as close as we can get to 20, we'll approximate. 20 scissor kicks, and then 20 crunches. The crunches will be kind of like the break. I like doing mountain climbers because it kind of involves the core and cardio at the same time. It's one of my favorite exercises, so you expect to see a lot of them on this channel. Anyway, guys, we got 20 seconds left. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe right now or like or do any of the other nonsense. Do that after the video. Right now, 15 seconds left. Go grab some water and let's get ready to go in 10 seconds. We're gonna get down on the ground for mountain climbers. In 5 seconds, we're going for 20 mountain climbers on my count, so close to 20. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's flip over for scissor kicks. Support your lower back if you have to with your arms. And nice scissor kicks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My hamstrings is really tight, so this is as high as my legs go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 10 more. 1, 2. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. 9. Last one. All right, 20 crunches. Make sure that lower back is pressing to the ground. And let's go for 20. Do not pull on your neck. 1, 2, 3. Keep your elbows back. 4, 5, 6. Another neck exercise. 7. Come on, let's go. 8. Lower back against the ground. 9. Halfway. Keep going. 6. We got 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, back to mountain climbers, guys. 20. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And back on your back. Scissor kicks. 20. Support the lower back. Don't show any skin. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. 7, slow down. 8, another race. 9, 10, halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep it up. 5, only 5 left, ready? 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, and 5, all right. Hands behind your head and let's go. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, keep it up. 8, 9, 10, we got 10 more guys, let's go. 1, squeeze, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, come on. 3, beautiful. 4, and 5. All right, it looks like we're gonna do one more full set. So let's get going with the mountain climbers. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 10. And that's 1, and that's 2. Come on, and 3. Count with me. 4, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. All right, scissor kicks. Woo. Support lower back. Legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit of a pause on the top. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We got 10 more. Come on. 1, 2. Squeeze the lower back into the ground. 4, come on, push it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. All right, give me some crunches, guys. 20 crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. We'll just keep on going until this set is over. We have what, 23 seconds left. Just keep crunching, guys, until the clock is up. We're gonna stop counting. There's no point. We have 15 seconds left. Keep pushing. Keep that lower back squeezed into the ground so you're working that core. Come on. It's a core exercise, not a neck exercise. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Woo. All right, let me get up awkwardly, and I'm back. Guys, thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. Once again, my name is Paul. I have no idea what to call this workout, but if you like this workout, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you during the next workout. Thanks again for joining me today.